This is an example for lesson 14 on how to solve a radical equation when a number is known. So we're asked to solve 3 times the square root of 4x plus 4 minus 4 equal to 14. So let's solve to isolate the term inside the square root, which means we're going to get the other terms to the other side in order to get the square root of 4x plus 4 left. So let's start by adding the constants on both sides. So we have 3 square root of 4x plus 4 equal to 18. And then we'll divide both sides by 3. That cancels, so we have the square root of 4x plus 4. 18 divided by 3 is 6. And so after that, the next step is to square both sides in order to get rid of the square root. So we can take this, square that side, square the right side, and then of course when you square a square root, they cancel out and you just have 4x plus 4 left. And then we got to square the 6 on the other side. Since it's not square rooted, it's saying 6 times 6, that's 36. And then once we have that, it's a two-step equation in order to solve for x. So it's subtract 4 from both sides, which gives you 4x. 36 minus 40 is 32. And then divide both sides by 4. So our answer is 8. But oftentimes, when you're solving an equation that has a square root, you tend to introduce a solution which does work when you solve the problem, but when you put it back, it ends up not making the equation true. So what we're going to do is we're going to check whether 8 is an actual answer by putting it back. So it'll look like this. So we'll take the original equation, which is 3 square root of 4, and instead of x, we'll put in what we got as the answer, plus 4 minus 4, and we're checking to see whether that's going to equal to 14. So let's simplify the left side, which gives me 3 square root 4 times 8 is 32 plus 4 minus 4, which is 3 times 32 plus 4, 36, minus 4. Square root of 36 is 6, minus 4, which is 18 minus 4, which is 14. And of course, looking at the other side, that's what we're checking to see whether this would equal 14, and it does. So that means for this particular problem, 8 is a good solution.